Now we go to practice set 2.4 question 1, which states to multiply. You see here there is root 3 bracket root 7 minus root 3. Here there is one term and here there are two terms inside the bracket. So when I have to multiply, I'll take the single term and multiply with each of the terms inside the bracket. So there I have root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 into root 3. So what happens here now? Root 3 into root 7. Now here the order is the same, so we can directly multiply. It becomes root 3 into 7 is 21. So I have here root 21. Then I have the minus sign, so I write minus sign. Then root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. You know the number with the root sign multiplied with the same number with the root sign is the number itself. So this becomes 3. So the answer is root 21 minus 3. Coming to the second question, root 5 minus root 7 into root 2. So we rearrange it. We take root 2 first. This becomes root 2 bracket root 5 minus root 7. Now we'll do just as we did in the previous question. Root 2 into root 5 minus, because of this minus sign we write minus, then root 2 into root 7. So here root 2 into root 7. Now what happens? Root 2 into root 5. When we multiply, it becomes root 10 minus root 2 into root 7. 2 into 7 is 14. So this becomes root 14. Now going to the third question now. Let us see the third question. We have two terms in one bracket and two terms in the other bracket. Now how will we handle this? We'll take the first term of this and multiply with both the terms in the second bracket. Then take the second term of this, that is minus root 3, and then multiply with both these terms. Let us see how to do it. Okay, so here first we take 3 root 2. I said we will multiply with both these terms. So I write here 4 root 3 minus root 2. Then I have to take the second term, that is minus root 3, and then multiply with these terms, that is 4 root 3 minus root 2. So what happens now? This 3 root 2 has to be multiplied with both these terms. So it will be 3 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus again 3 root 2. This 3 root 2 is out. So 3 root 2 will multiply with both. It once multiplies with 4 root 3. Then it multiplies with root 2. Okay, now see the second part. Okay, here we have minus root 3, that is this, multiplying with this whole bracket 4 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 3 into 4 root 3. Okay, so first it will be minus root 3 into 4 root 3. Next one, here minus root 3 is already here minus, so root 3 into root 2. So root 3 into root 2. Now don't get confused with the signs. This minus sign is already written here and this minus sign now comes here. So it is root 3 into root 2. Now let us multiply here. What is outside the bracket will multiply with themselves. So 3 into 4. So 3 into 4 root 2 into 3 minus here 3 root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 we know is 2. So this will be 2. Now minus, we will keep the bracket. First we will complete what is here. Root 3 into 4 root 3. So 4 is outside the bracket. It will be as it is. It is outside the square root sign. So then root 3 into root 3. Here we have root 3 into root 3, which will be 3 minus root 3 into root 2, that will be root 6. So this will be 3 into 4, that is 12. Root 2 into 3, that is root 6, minus 3 into 2, that is 6. Then minus, we will still keep the bracket and complete this. 4 into 3, that is 12. And here minus root 6. So this becomes 12 root 6 minus 6. Now we here minus 12 and minus into minus is plus root 6. Now what do we do in the next step? The root 6 ones, that is the like term ones, we take together. So what happens? 12 root 6 plus root 6. Then minus 6 minus 12. So 12 root 6 plus 12 root 6 plus root 6. 12 root 6 plus root 6 is like 12x plus x. That will be 13x. So this will be 13 root 6. Then you have minus 6 minus 12. That is minus 18. So you have 13 root 6 minus 18.